Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 cake rings available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. California Cade Electronic Adjustable Stainless Steel Cake Ring. When it comes to baking, you can never have too much equipment. That's why we recommend you get your hands on this California Cade Electronic Cake Ring. This bakeware made of solid and sturdy stainless steel, so not only is it durable and long-lasting, but also resistant to corrosion, won't rust or deform easily. It has a height of 3.2 inches, which is perfect for all types of cakes. This cake mold can be adjusted from 6.25 to 12 inches, so you're able to make any size you want with precision. There are numbers carved into the mold that will help guide your cooking process when making different types of cakes. The Cake Mold Cake Ring Adjustable Round Stainless Steel 6 to 12 inch cake mold is perfect for using in the kitchen, bakeries, as well as professional and professional bakers alike. Number 2. Doisy Supplies Adjustable Stainless Steel Cake Ring. For the serious baker, we present this fantastic listing. These items will help you make your cake into something magical and beautiful. The ring mold is made of reusable, easy-to-clean, high-temperature resistant and corrosion-free stainless steel. Easily adjustable by holding the handles and pulling outwardly to fit the size you want between diameter 6 to 12 inches. The cake collar is made of high-quality food-grade PP. It's easy to use and non-toxic. Acetate roll size 5.5 inch, W, x 394 inch, L, x 125 micron, thickness. Cake ring is suitable for cake baking, making mousse cake, bread, biscuits, muffins and cupcakes etc. This cake mold ring is perfect for making all kinds of lovely shaped cakes. I like to use it to make Christmas cookies, Valentine's Day cookies and ice cream bowls, which are really beautiful and easy to eat. It is a very good item for my kitchen tool collection. My husband also likes this ring mold very much and likes making all kinds of cookies with me. This ring mold is made of stainless steel, which is very high temperature resistant and corrosion resistant. It can be used many times without the deformation problem from baking temperature, 200 Celsius degree. The molds have an excellent design, with convenient handles which makes it easy to remove the ring and unload cakes from the mold effortlessly. Number 3. Newline NY Stainless Steel Cake Mousse Ring. The Newline NY Stainless Steel Cake Mousse Rings is the perfect set of 3 different size round rings, to make appetizers, molded salads and desserts. They are also great for baking cakes and can be used as a mold to create layered mousse. The 18/10 stainless steel rings are durable and easy to clean in the oven or dishwasher. This set includes 120 cm, 8 inch, diameter, 124 cm, 9.5 inch, 126 cm, 10.4 inch, by 6 cm, 2.5 inch height round rings. To use the mousse rings for baking or making cake layer, sandwich the mousse between 2 rounds, then bake at the same time. To use for freezing, cut into rounds and place in plastic bags. Each green plastic box contains 6 cm, 2.4 inch diameter round mousse rings, which is ideal for creating appetizers, molded salads, cakes, and desserts. Newline NY Stainless Steel Cake Mousse Rings can also be used as a mold to create layered desserts such as tiramisu, Alaska cake, cheesecake or white chocolate mousse cake. The set includes 3 sizes of 6 cm, 2.4 inches, 24 cm, 9.5 inches, and 26 cm, 10.4 inches, 18/10 stainless steel mousse rings. Durable 18/10 stainless steel rings are easy to clean in the oven or dishwasher. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean and oven safe for any type of bake or cook. With these easy-to-use cake mousse rings, anyone can become a master baker in the kitchen. Number 4. Cake Mousse Mold Cake Ring. The most difficult part of making a cake is cutting and stacking it, which may sound crazy, but it's the truth. This can be time-consuming, tedious work. Wouldn't you rather be spending your time decorating the cake? But you might have some icing left over and only enough batter for 2 or 3 layers. That's where this set comes in handy. It includes 2 flexible acetate sheets that are 6 inches wide by 394 inches long to cover the sides of a 9-inch round or square cake. You can also use these sheets to decorate with fondant, ganache, marzipan and more. The flexible sheets are heat-resistant to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This set also includes a durable stainless steel 6-inch round or square cake mold ring, which you can adjust to fit any size between 6 and 12 inches. You can use the mold to create layered cakes, and it's great for creating mousse, too. You'll also get 2 extra acetate sheets that measure 9 by 394 inches. Each sheet has a small notch for hanging for display when the cake is done. This set is great for intermediate bakers who have some experience with working with fondant and other materials. Number 5. Akifu Cake Mold Funnel Cake Ring. Mousse Cake Mold. Each mouth of the mold has 8 cavities with 1.5 inches diameter. This mousse cake mold makes it easy to make beautiful mousses cake in a jiffy. It is made of stainless steel material, no welding seam and high mirror coating. It is easy to use and perfect for home cooking or professional kitchen. It's durable enough to withstand the high temperature of oven up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, so you don't have to worry about warping or cracking when baking your mousses cake in the oven. This mousse cake ring is made of high-quality stainless steel material, durable and easy to use. This is a great helper for your kitchen. It is ideal for making mousse cake, breads and biscuits for your family and friends. It's also great for making cheesecakes. The ring-shaped mold is perfect for making chocolate, cookie, cheese, cake or even chocolate chip cookies in a jiffy. It has 4 different shapes of the mold to make all kinds of cakes in different sizes.